Parker, first of all, let me just start with your setup. Setup's beautiful. In fact, there's not much in the books that I've written that I wouldn't say, here's what you should do at setup. Let's get into the swing. I want you to notice just a couple of quick things. Obviously, you have a very good golf swing, so don't misconstrue. Like, when I'm giving instruction, it doesn't mean you stink. It just means there's things for every one of us to improve on. I've drawn the box around your head and this line, the green line in front of you, to show you a couple of parts of your golf swing. Let me get to the very top of your backswing. When you get to the top of the backswing, notice here the position of your head has moved slightly towards the front part of the yellow box on your head, and now your hips have slightly moved on top of or into that line. On the way down, what you'll notice is that continues. Okay, everything gets ahead of the line, especially what I want you to notice is your lower body. What's great in your golf swing, you'll notice the retention of angle between your arm and the shaft of that golf club. That's perfect. It's there right now, but watch. As we go down another click, you can notice the angle starting to let go here. It's still very, very good, but one more click and boom, the angle's completely gone. Think of where the ball is if this were a dress, and consider the ball position that it's in right now. The majority of your body is already ahead, so that would make ball position be very far back. A person, any human being, is going to have to let go of the angle early just to get the club head to where the ball is so that you can have good impact. Great hand-eye coordination so you can do it and do it and do it. Think about your miss hits, not the good ones. If you miss, and by my experience, it's generally going to be thin, every once in a while a little bit fat, because when the angle gets released, that is what's going to happen. And if you think about the quality of your ball flight, if there's anything that ever happens to you where it's a negative thing, it's probably a little bit low. By keeping your body further behind this golf ball and your head further behind this golf ball, in a more traditional sense, it will allow you to retain that angle longer. It's not something I don't think you're going to have to work on that much, retention of angle. We'll do the hit it low drill once again. But what I want you to do is take one of the commitment sticks, the little sticks that I always use, poke it in the ground exactly where this green line is, and make some swings turning, rotating to it, but not running into it. See how far ahead everything is past hit, and then when you get here, you're outside the box. I'm also going to send you a link to Ogilvy's golf swing. Not that I want you to become Ogilvy, but I just have a good video of his swing from this angle with a 6-iron. I think you'll see a massive difference between the two. So, great swing. Way, way more good stuff than bad stuff. But I think if you work on staying behind the ball, and that's going to include some leg work, keeping your left leg from bowing in like that, and then on the way down, initiating your downswing with rotation rather than lateral movement forward. Those are the two things that would be really beneficial over the break to work on.